got very inspired and mesmerized by your commitment. That's very, very important as far as quality is concerned. Like the humanitarian touch, that we learned from you.
You used to, connect with the live example where we used to understand it much easily than. Thank you, sir, and thank you.
We were not
Also
aware about
from
the tool.
Kolkata. So I did Green Belt from Vision Excellence last year. The only change I have found in Arkansas is Arkansas nowadays giving more examples, which I liked really much, because in industry we all know, as I am the part of the QAG of my organization having 19 years of experience, most of the model and tools are known to me. But the way you explain with real life examples, it's excellent. And really, I'm thankful and grateful to all of the faculty members and facilitators who helps me to having this course completed in Black Belt from Vision and for MSME. Thank you all. Thank you, everyone.
Good evening, sir. I am basically from the healthcare sector and the nursing department. When I chosen this course, I thought whether it is going to be useful for me or not. But now I realize I can able to, in the patient safety aspect, I can use all the tools. To be frank, I implemented one case and presented in our institution. Even I got the first place in that within that month, within the duration. Simple tool only I use for mean, median, standard, and with the hypothesis of evaluation with the p-values. So they accepted the study. Across the hospital, we used implemented that project. Then the way the faculty that communicating, the way the explanation was awesome. From the we doesn't know also, we are trying to give more explanation, understand of the each and every part, sir. Thanks a lot to the Vision Excellence. Then your energy level, hats off you, sir. First time when I seeing you, I thought you are the terror teacher. Then from when you're asking the question, no, you are motivating us to give the answer from our mouth. It is very help us to be more motivate and be positive ourselves, sir. Thanks a lot.
This is Kalaichilvan. So I working in automotive. I worked in automotive OEMs as well as currently I'm working in automotive service provider concern. So the way I was looking, I have been looking so long to get this Black Six Sigma Black Belt training. So I was researching with multiple institutions, but I found that there are many my ex-colleagues and friends were already done this course in many of the courses, not only Six Sigma, many of the courses they done with Vision Excellence. So I was really happy to hear about the feedback from the students, ex-students. So that based on their reference, I took the challenge and I took the opportunity to work with, learn this Six Sigma Black Belt with Vision Excellence. It was really wonderful. Particularly, I want to say thanks to Mr. RK sir. So it's a really, wherever we get stuck, he immediately comes and give the suggestion to everyone. That is really appreciable. So I see that you are still in this age, you are energetically involving and making mold the peoples to the right way. It's really appreciable, and we feel energized by the way how you are explaining and teaching to us. And thanks to Gopal Sivakumar sir for such a well organized, structured method of training materials, teaching way, the sharing examples, templates. So everything is wonderful. I am looking forward to do more courses in future with the Vision Excellence. I am really honored to be the student here at Vision Excellence. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Hope you're doing great. And thank you so much for your valuable training sessions. I'm sure it will help us in the real time. First of all, I just want to introduce myself. I have a total 11 years of experience with the same company, HCL. And currently, I'm a quality manager and even handling BPM analysis. Wherever new approach is required in terms of improving the customer experience, and especially in banking sector, I'll be working with a team identifying the new opportunity. So we are trying to identify the opportunities wherever we can implement to complete the process with short period to eliminate cycle wait time and improve the turnaround times. And even I worked with multiple banking sectors, Bank of Ireland and Synergy Bank, based on UK sectors. We have implemented multiple techniques, but as a person, I couldn't make technical terms because as I don't have a knowledge. So, as advised by my manager, I have joined here, and Vision Excellence is a right platform to get the basic knowledge. And there are humorous n number of examples provided by all the trainers, and they have clarified all their doubts. And extremely, I'm really happy to part of this session last 10 days. I got a good knowledge from these sessions, and I understand what techniques can be used in each category of scenarios. And definitely, I will apply all the scenarios in my upcoming experience. And thank you so much for your valuable time to on sharing your experience. And thanks for Vision Excellence also. Thank you.
My name is Mohit. So I'm an electrical engineer. So I initially worked in various sectors in power plant, then textile, and then chemical catalyst units for almost 13 years in electrical operation and maintenance. Right now I'm in Chennai. I'm leading a team of 12 developers, and we are supporting remotely to the Shell assets in their reporting and analysis needs. And my original intent was, I will be very honest, original intent was only to get the certifications. And since I was preparing from a long time for the certified reliability engineering exam, so I thought of that it will also build a good base for my preparation, because there are many concepts which are overlapping in both the CRE syllabus and what you have taught in these last few weeks. So I would say, sir, last 6 weeks, very productive, well spent. I do not have any regret. And I would say the kind of engagement you, GSK sir, and everyone really appreciable. Because I would say, teaching these statistical concept, it can be a little boring, but you have made sure that everyone was engaged. Yes, on and off, because we have working professionally also. So on and off, I was there. But everything, sir, your templates, the learning material, literature, which have been shared by you, that is, I'm very confident that it is going to help a lot moving forward, especially for me. That is going to be an asset. One point I would like to mention here, sir, I have a team of developers. We are generating various reports. We are doing various analysis for our stakeholders. But I'm really surprised that, after this session, that power statistics hold in itself. We are not even scratching the surface in terms of applying the tools, in terms of creating the insights based on these tools. Whatever Gen AI, everything is there. But ultimately, to draw the insights, implementing them on the field, that is up to us. We are we are still a very far away to do that. So these kinds of programs definitely help in that. I'll be looking forward to gain my proficiency in statistics with Vision Academy moving forward.
Sir, actually, I worked in maintenance for about 38 years and I am retired now. Last, I retired from TPI Composites for about 2 years as a head of maintenance, where they are manufacturing windmill blades for about Vestas and Nordex and all. Then after the retirement, then I studied a little bit in depth. I researched, then I started doing TPM consultancy in Tier 1 automotive companies for the last 4 months. They are practicing TPM as a part of Lean. So I want to learn Lean. What is Lean? But I know a little bit. I know smart and all, line balancing, all those things. But I want to know that I want to learn in a structured manner. That is the reason I joined here. That served the purpose. But really, I learned more than my purpose. Really, all the teachers, they were very comprehensive, having comprehensive knowledge. They're able to teach. Even if I ask questions, they're able to clarify in no time. Really, I'm happy. I'm blessed. Thank you.
To all. This is Vadivel Kumar from Coimbatore. We are doing windmill gearbox. My responsibility is supplier quality management. I am in Coimbatore. In Coimbatore suppliers, I will take care. First of all, I say thanks to Vision Excellence for improving my knowledge in my professional phase and even as well as personal phase also. The Six Sigma course, believe definitely it will help to my professional and personal. And it's an excellence faculty and coordinators, everybody supporting from when I am started to collecting the details about course. From that starting itself, they are clearing my queries in good manner. And the very beautiful thing is, Mr. RK sir given commitment is 24 into 7, they are ready to clear the doubts. So from that I have understood, yeah, vision excellence motivation is not complete the course. It is they are taking care of each and everybody personal growth.
I am a chemical engineer working in a production industry. Right now, this vision excellence I got to know from a quality manager was there. Previously, I was working with the CPK capability, so I didn't know about that. What is exactly it is? So I was asking the quality person that how we can learn more about that. So he suggested me the vision excellence. I think I got a right choice from the same person. Thank you MSME and vision excellence for the great opportunity to learn the CPK in more details and all the other tools related to. So I have directly joined for the black belt directly. I think most of the basics levels I was knowing previously also. Now I got more insights of the black belt. So we will try to implement more in future if required, or what I can complete. I can implement in my daily life. So thank you, Vision Experience, and all the faculty members, especially RK sir, GSK sir. Thank you so much.
Good evening. Myself Sriram. I'm from Hyderabad. I really thank all the staff and all your facilitators. You're very knowledgeable, and it's a very good platform. I really like learning from you all. So thank you, MSME and Vision Express. I was introduced to this platform by my colleague from US. He was really found it very good and thought, yes, this is a way promoting more. You guys, I really love it. My background is I have 14 years experience in firmware programming. I'm a developer. I do hardware designs and I oversee a couple of production as well. I worked in production houses also. One thing what I really like is in our company also we used to use all these techniques because it's a manufacturing plant, right? We used to use lean process and a mixture of Six Sigma and Lean. So there are few which are it's like a we made our own process and processes which are adapted from few from Six Sigma and few from Lean. So it's a mixture of both. Coming here, I was exposed to more. Okay, there are too many tools to use and different techniques, and why the company has to use only these? Why not all those? So I think going back, my takeaway, my takeaway would be why not use different tools than stick to what's currently being utilized. Thank you for sharing all your knowledge.
Thank you for this excellent course, the black belt course. I'm very much honored. Thank you, Vision Excellence. The participant from Chennai, Pune, Kolkata. So it says how much gravity of this Vision Excellence, and people are from junior executive to retired executive are participating. So it is very nice. I have learned a lot. Still yet to learn. Thank you.
Thank you very much for this opportunity, Dr. RK. And at this juncture, I want to thank each and every faculty who took me through the curriculum. And it's so obvious that your expertise, your experience, your knowledge, and how friendly you are towards the learners. And just to say that MSME is not new to me. I have already done a certification in another domain. But as far as this black belt is concerned, I'm so much impressed, and I would definitely recommend your organization for Lean Six Sigma Black Belt. Thank you so much.
অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ এমএসএমই আর ভিশন এক্সেলেন্সকে আমাদের এই সুযোগটা দেওয়ার জন্য। অনেক কিছু এখান থেকে আমরা নতুন জিনিস শিখতে পেরেছি। ধন্যবাদ।
ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে, সব পার্টিসিপেন্টকে, সমস্ত ফ্যাকাল্টিকে, ডক্টর RK স্যারকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। বাকি সমস্ত ফ্যাকাল্টিদেরকেও জানাচ্ছি। তারা খুব আমাদেরকে সাহায্য করেছেন এই মাস্টার ব্ল্যাক বেল্ট প্রোগ্রামের জন্য। তো আমি এখন এই ব্ল্যাক বেল্ট কোর্সটাই করলাম, এরপরে আমি মাস্টার ব্ল্যাক বেল্টও আমি ভিশন এক্সেলেন্স থেকেই করব। খুব ভালো লাগলো, অনেক কিছু শিখলাম। আশা করি এগুলো আমার যে প্রফেশনাল কেরিয়ারে আমি ওটাকে এক্সপ্লয়েট করব। থ্যাংক ইউ।